Want a dentist-recommended smile that lights up the room and glowing, radiant skin at unbeatable Prime Day prices? I've got two game-changing deals you can't miss, exclusively available in Tools & Decor USA. If you're like me, you want products that deliver real results, and Prime Day is the best time to grab them. Imagine getting top-tier beauty and oral care products at a fraction of the cost. This summer, two trends are everywhere: vitamin C face oils for that radiant, dewy skin, and oral care gadgets that make flossing effortless and fun. Today, I'll show you the best deals from powerhouse brands like Sunday Riley and Waterpik, plus a few viral favorites that have taken the internet by storm. We'll break down the science, the ingredients, and why these products stand out in a crowded market. No hype, just results-driven tools, recommended by top dermatologists and dentists. I'll share how to use them effectively, why they outperform imitators, and how to get the most out of Prime Day pricing. Whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for top picks to recommend to friends and family, you're in the right place. Ready to upgrade your self-care routine with confidence and style? Let's dive into the 10 Prime Day beauty hacks you need to know to make the most of this shopping extravaganza. Let's kick things off with a true cult favorite: Sunday Riley C.E.O. Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. This product has earned a devoted following for good reason, and it's not just hype. Sunday Riley is celebrated for creating potent, science-backed formulas, and this oil is no exception. It delivers a radiant, lit-from-within look that makes your skin appear instantly healthier and more vibrant. The secret behind its power? THD ascorbate, a highly stable, oil-soluble form of vitamin C. Unlike traditional vitamin C, it penetrates deeply into the skin without causing irritation, making it suitable even for those with sensitive skin. This ingredient works to brighten dull skin, fight visible signs of aging caused by pollution and UV exposure, and helps protect your complexion from environmental stressors. It's also paired with golden turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory that calms redness, soothes irritation, and evens out skin tone for a healthy, uniform glow. The formula is further enriched with cold-pressed oils like red raspberry and jojoba, which deeply hydrate and nourish the skin without leaving a greasy residue. This makes it ideal for layering under makeup in the morning, or as the final step in your nighttime routine. The oil absorbs quickly, leaving your skin luminous, soft, and perfectly nourished, never heavy or sticky. And with Prime Day pricing, this luxury skincare staple becomes surprisingly affordable, making it the perfect time to treat yourself or someone you love. If you've ever hesitated to try Sunday Riley, there's truly no better moment than now to experience what all the buzz is about. Invest in a treatment that delivers real, visible results and helps you achieve that coveted glow. For anyone struggling with dull, lackluster skin, this oil is your ticket to radiance. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Your skin will thank you. Prefer a serum over an oil? If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle solution to brighten your skin, look no further. Sunday Riley's C.E.O. 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum is your answer. This serum is designed to deliver visible results. This powerhouse targets discoloration, dark spots, and post-acne marks with a concentrated dose of THD ascorbate. It's a game-changer for anyone dealing with uneven skin tone. At 15%, it's a potent antioxidant that fades hyperpigmentation and even skin tone. You'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's clarity. Supporting ingredients like phytosterols reduce redness, calming irritated skin, and making it look healthier. While saccharide isomerate hydrates and plumps, this ingredient ensures your skin stays moisturized throughout the day. The lightweight, creamy texture absorbs quickly, perfect for layering under moisturizer and sunscreen. It won't leave your skin feeling greasy. You'll see instant brightness, but the real magic is in daily use. Consistent application will transform your skin over time. Prime Day discounts make this a must-have for anyone serious about glowing, even skin. Take advantage of the savings while you can. It's dermatologist-grade results at a fraction of the price. You don't have to break the bank for beautiful skin. If uneven tone is your concern, this is your solution. Say goodbye to dark spots and hello to a radiant complexion. Don't wait. This is a smart, effective investment. Your future self will thank you for making this choice. Your skin will thank you. Experience the transformation and enjoy the confidence that comes with a brighter, more even complexion. Retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging, but it can be harsh, unless you try Sunday Riley Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. This gentle, nourishing oil uses a trans-retinoic acid ester complex for powerful results with minimal irritation. It renews skin overnight, smoothing fine lines and pores while calming redness with blue tansy and German chamomile. The luxurious oil blend, avocado, chia, grapeseed, deeply nourishes and hydrates. Wake up to balanced, plump, youthful skin. Luna is perfect for retinol beginners or sensitive skin types. Prime Day is the best time to try this iconic formula. Get anti-aging benefits without the harsh side effects. For smoother, calmer, more even skin, Luna is your holy grail. Upgrade your nighttime routine the smart way. Let's talk oral care, because a healthy smile is as important as glowing skin. The Waterpik Aquarius. Water Flosser is a dentist favorite, using a pulsating water stream to clean where string floss can't. It's up to 50% more effective for gum health, removing plaque and debris with ease. 10 pressure settings and a massage mode make it customizable for any mouth. The large reservoir means a full clean in just a minute. It's simple, satisfying, and leaves your mouth feeling dentist clean every day. Prime Day deals make this the perfect time to upgrade. Better oral hygiene, better overall health. Ditch the string floss struggle. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Embrace the future of oral care. Want a brighter smile? Crest 3D White Brilliance Deep Stain Remover. Toothpaste is your daily solution. Its advanced whitening tech removes up to 100% of surface stains in 5 days. The illuminating complex leaves teeth dazzling and polished. It also prevents new stains, so you can enjoy your coffee worry-free. With fluoride for enamel strength and a refreshing mint flavor, it's a complete oral care product. The 2-pack Prime Day deal is unbeatable value. Keep your smile bright and your confidence high. It's a simple switch with a big payoff. For a whiter, healthier smile, this is the toothpaste to get. Stock up and shine on. Breakouts happen, be ready with Quester hydrocolloid pimple patches. These patches draw out impurities, speed healing, and protect from bacteria and picking. With 200 patches in multiple sizes, you're covered for any breakout. They're thin, discreet, and work overnight. Wake up to flatter, calmer skin. No harsh drying treatments, just gentle, effective healing. Perfect for all skin types and routines. Prime Day pricing makes this a no-brainer. Keep a stash for peace of mind and quick fixes. Modern skincare essential, incredible value. Say goodbye to stubborn pimples, fast. Hydrated, healthy lips complete your look without the fuss of lipstick. Honest Beauty Moisturizing Vegan. Tinted Lip Balm delivers sheer, buildable color and deep nourishment. Avocado oil, acai, and pomegranate extracts hydrate and protect. No petroleum, parabens, or synthetic fragrances, just clean vegan ingredients. 8 hours of moisture and a universally flattering tint. Throw it in your bag for effortless, mirror-free application. Prime Day is the perfect time to try a new shade or stock up. Everyday color meets serious care. For soft, beautiful lips, this is a must-try. Tired eyes? 24K gold under eye patches are your instant fix. Hyaluronic acid floods skin with moisture, plumping fine lines and reducing puffiness. Collagen and gold help firm and calm the under eye area. Store them in the fridge for an extra cooling boost. Apply for 10-15 minutes, see brighter, refreshed eyes right away. A pack of 24 pairs means luxury treatment at an affordable price. Perfect before big events or busy days. Spa-like results from home, every morning. Look awake and refreshed, no matter what. Sometimes you just need a reliable basic. Enter the Oral-B Pro Health CrossAction Toothbrush. Crisscross bristles clean deep between teeth and along the gum line. Built-in tongue and cheek cleaner fights bacteria for fresher breath. Power tip bristles reach tricky spots behind molars. Ergonomic handle and gentle bristles make brushing comfortable for all ages. 6-pack Prime Day deal means you're set for months. Dentists recommend replacing your brush every 3 months. This covers the whole family. Superior, clean, trusted brand, unbeatable value. Smart, healthy choice for everyone. End your routine with the viral BioDance Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask. This hydrogel mask delivers deep hydration and a collagen boost overnight. Ultra-low molecular weight ingredients penetrate for real results. Plump, dewy, glass skin by morning. The mask turns transparent as your skin absorbs the actives. Probiotics support your skin barrier for lasting health. Use before special occasions or as a weekly treatment. 4-pack Prime Day deal. See what the hype is about. For dry, dehydrated, or maturing skin, this is a game changer. Professional results right at home. That's your Prime Day beauty blueprint. 10 deals you can't miss. From glass skin to a dazzling smile, These picks deliver real results. Science-backed skincare, dentist-approved tools, and viral favorites, all at unbeatable prices. Links are in the description. Grab them before they're gone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deals and reviews. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Which deal are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Stay glowing, stay healthy, and see you next time.